The jungles of South America have no shortage of deadly hunters, but one is unsurpassed. The Jaguar. 200 pounds of muscle, claws, and teeth. But the first weapon in this big cat's arsenal is stealth. Dappled markings camouflage him as he silently stalks his victim. This juvenile male has a capybara in his sights. A startled pigeon gives the game away. But the Jaguar needs to eat. Dozens of muscles in his ears allow them to rotate, picking up the faintest sound. Taking on a caiman on its home turf is dangerous. But the rewards for this hungry Jaguar outweigh the risk. His best chance of success is surprise. The Jaguar has the strongest bite force of any big cat, enough to pierce clean through the caiman's thick skull. But the young Jaguar's aim is off target. Losing this kill means at best an empty stomach. At worst, a serious injury from an angry caiman. He tries a suffocating throat lock. The Jaguar's superior strength wins the day. A kill like this will sustain him for weeks. Brute force won the battle, but stealth saved him wasting precious energy on a chase. The Jaguar's coat helped it to stay hidden, but other hunters push camouflage even further, into outright mimicry. This cockroach is unaware it's being watched. Or that appearances can be deceiving. The aptly named dead leaf mantis has had more than 135 million years to work on its disguise. A perfect replica of decomposing foliage, even down to the veins. Rocking back and forth like a leaf in a light breeze, the mantis gives an award-winning performance to match its costume. By the time its insect prey discovers the ruse, it's already too late. The mantis strikes in 1/20th of a second, twice the speed of a human eye blink, and with deadly accuracy. Spines on its legs skewer the victim, while serrated mandibles slice and dice its dinner. The dead leaf mantis hides in plain sight, but other predators must create the right setting for a surprise attack. This grasshopper's days are numbered. He's just wandered into the territory of one of the greatest ambush hunters in the world. Beneath the leaf litter of this dry forest A trapdoor spider is putting the finishing touches on its hideout. A tunnel, 10 inches deep, 10 times the length of its body. Topped by a hinged door made of earth, dead foliage, and silk. The trap is set. A web of silk tripwires radiates out from the spider's lair. Thousands of sensors on its body can detect pressure equivalent to a single grain of sugar on the wires. A woodlouse narrowly escapes a painful death. But this grub is not so fortunate. It touches a tripwire. In seconds, it's being digested, and the trap is reset for the next unwitting prey. Surprise attacks can come in many forms, and from any direction. Few birds can match the barn owl for its silent ability to swoop in for the kill. Its stealth is the envy of aviation engineers. It barely makes a whisper in flight, which had scientists puzzled, until computer modeling revealed the secret. The feathers on the leading edge of each wing have a fine comb-like structure. This reduces the sound of air hitting the wing and smooths airflow. It's so effective that aerospace engineers are using owl-inspired concepts to develop a near-silent aircraft wing. Being silent also means it's easier to hear the movements of other animals. The barn owl has ultra-acute hearing. Its face is made up of 2 discs, which collect and channel sound towards ear openings on either side of the head. One ear is set higher than the other, which means sound reaches the left and right ear at fractionally different times. This allows it to calculate distance vertically as well as horizontally. The barn owl targets its prey with pinpoint accuracy. A rat makes a good snack. But mature barn owls must consume 1/3 of their body weight every night to survive. So the hunt goes on.
Hey Love Nature fans, be sure to like and subscribe to catch all our wild animal stories. Get closer to nature right here on YouTube.